In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an Adobe Express project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your design in the right format, open it properly, and dial in the print settings so your final print looks clean, sharp, and true to your design. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Take a moment to review the canvas size and layout you designed for. If you're printing on standard paper, make sure your project dimensions match your paper choice, like letter or A4. Check that important elements aren't too close to the edge to avoid anything being clipped during printing, especially if your printer doesn't support borderless printing. Next, click Download in Adobe Express. For printing, choose a high-quality format. PDF is usually the best option for crisp text and shapes, because it preserves vector information and keeps fonts and lines sharp. Look for a PDF, print, or high-quality PDF option if available. PNG can also work well, especially for image-heavy or photo-based designs. If you use PNG, choose the highest resolution offered to avoid a soft or pixelated result. Keep in mind that higher quality will create a larger file, which is normal and helpful for print clarity. Save the file to your computer in a place you can find quickly, like the desktop or a dedicated prints folder. Give it a clear name so you can identify the final version without confusion. Open the saved file in a PDF viewer or image editor. A PDF is best opened in a dedicated reader, while a PNG can be opened in your default image app. Zoom to 100% or slightly above to spot any blurriness, spacing issues, or typos before printing. Make sure colors look consistent and that nothing important is sitting outside your intended margins. When you're ready, click Print. Select your printer and confirm the correct paper size, such as letter or A4, and set the orientation to portrait or landscape to match your design. In the scaling or sizing options, choose actual size for designs created at the exact paper dimensions, or fit to page if you need the design to scale slightly. If your printer supports it and your design allows, you can choose borderless printing to remove white margins. Set print quality to the highest available option for sharper results. Choose color or grayscale as needed, and pick the paper type that matches what you're using. Finally, review the print preview. Confirm everything looks right and print your design. That's it. Your Adobe Express project is ready to go from screen to paper.